In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up a footprint chart inside of Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Quantower like you usually would, and then from here it should bring something like this. Here you'll need to go over to the chart page and find a specific symbol that you want to add this cluster footprint for. From here you'll need to go down to cluster, and if you don't see the cluster chart settings down here, you'll simply need to go up to the right hand corner and see this loop up here and just click it once, and then the cluster will be visible. Once you do that, you'll need to enable it, and then from here you'll need to go over to the settings page over here. Once you've done that, it should bring something like this, and here you'll see type, where you can choose from single, double, or imbalance. Personally, I'll only choose either single or double, and from here you'll need to choose the data type 1 on the data type 2. And as you can see here, you need to choose bid and ask, which is the standard footprint, which will mean that you'll need to choose volume and down here delta right here. Now if you need to go down to a visualization down here, you'll be able to enter the visualization either a cluster or a histogram, but you'll just need to click cluster, and then from here you'll be able to add the coloring mode, where you can choose the colors for the specific footprint that you are going to make. From here you can also click show POC if you want to do that, where you can add a cell style or border style and change the color for that. And you can draw a grid if you want to do that, where you can either add a solid or dots or any of these other ones and add how big of a font it needs to be and the color. Once you do that, you'll simply need to close it down, and then from here your footprint will be visible inside of your chart. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please send down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!